Hello, hello, my friend.
Hello and welcome aboard.
Welcome, my friend.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Part-Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We are here this week for a construction update, starting here from aboard the Mark Twain. Hopefully you can hear me over the narration. But we're going to see what we can see from up here through New Orleans Square, Haunted Mansion, the train station, and Tiana's. So if you guys wouldn't mind liking this video and subscribing, lets us know you're enjoying the videos we're putting out and helps other people find our channel as well. So we do appreciate the support we've been getting. But let's see what's going on.
Down in New Orleans.
It is a hot Sunday afternoon today, but the park still looks relatively crowded already. About 10:30 a.m. right now. Don't really see a whole lot going on over here. At least not that we can see. The trail in the Galaxy's Edge from this side is closed. Let's make sure you're aware of that. So looking for any signs of the mansion reopening or Haunted Mansion holiday stuff going on. But as I heard, it may be open to the virtual view. So looking for any signs of that. They are working right there, along like the main entrance, the front door, if you will.
The first American ship to carry the stars and stripes.
They are getting the Columbia ready to sail out.
Beyond those levee walls on the port side is the bayou, future home of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out there. And wherever you find magic, you're bound to find surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. It's not quite finished yet, but we're almost there.
I don't think we'll really be able to see anything from the ground because you can't even go past Harbor Galley.
You gotta make them happen. All depends on you. So I work real hard each and every day. Things to show going my way.
Looks like they're still working.
Just doing what I
Just not today. And then Hungry Bear, kind of breaking news we just found out about yesterday, is they're going to be retheming Hungry Bear into like a barbecue restaurant themed more around the country bears that used to be over here. So we'll keep an eye open on that. Oh, look at the path all ripped up right here.
Adventure is part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness filled with tall pines and tall tales about local animals that talk. While you're in Critter Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the
There's
Explorer
a
canoe.
lot going on over
You
there.
can work up a real good sweat rowing on those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain riverboat any day.
There's holes and stuff in the side of the mountain. And then this path right here that you would take into Galaxy's Edge is closed. And it looks like they're staging some equipment and supplies, getting ready for whatever they're going to do over on this side. I wonder if they're going to tear up all this too and lay new pavement, but I feel like this path is relatively new. And then even that little tunnel into Galaxy's Edge under the train track looks like it's all boarded up. Definitely will be something we'll be keeping an eye on going forward. We'll move on and see what else we can see around the parks for construction.
I've been navigating these parts for years now. I never get tired of taking you to
Our next stop is going to be New Orleans Square Station. Once again, Flowtime Station is currently closed due to construction. We are just going to be stopping there for operational purposes only.
Yeah, I can't really see anything. Very curious. It's just walls
Welcome
right
aboard
there.
the
And then you
Disneyland
stand a little
Railroad.
bit.
We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here,
Once again, everyone, the station is currently closed due to the construction around our area here. No one is allowed to get on or off. However, we're just going to be stopping for operational purposes only. To possibly fill up our train with water or change out our engine crew. So while our engineers are doing what they need to do, just please remain seated. We'll be on our way shortly. Our next stop to get off at will be Toontown Depot, gateway to Fantasyland. From there, that'll be your only stop to get off at. That's close for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. You can also get to Frontierland at our next stop, New Orleans, and Adventureland as well from our next stop, but not this one because the station is closed due to construction. So please remain seated. We'll be on our way as soon as possible.
Can't really see anything from here either, other than some more concept art.
7, they need to be away from the center openings of the train at all times for their seats. Next stop, Toontown Depot, gateway to Fantasyland.
No, that's your enemy.
to those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, soon to be home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out here, and wherever there's magic, there's bound to be surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. Speaking of surprises, this place we're passing over is chock full of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and other beloved critters on fun-filled adventures where anything can happen. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant.
All right, made it to the top of the treehouse, but unfortunately, even zoomed all the way in, there's nothing to be seen. There are too many leaves in the way, and trees and other things. It's not a good vantage point to really see anything from the construction of the Haunted Mansion or Tiana's. You can see that big blue Tiana sign though. That's about it. But we'll keep going. Maybe we'll stroll over, see if there's anything to see from the ground, but I don't think that there is. But there are some pretty good views from up here. And then just taking a look from the ground. Again, you can't go really past Harbor Galley here. Can't go into Critter Country, can't go into Galaxy's Edge from here. Hopefully, sooner than later, they will reopen with the virtual queue, like I've been hearing rumors of. And I can't come over here without okay, had to do that. Had to get that out of the way. But yeah, not a whole lot going on here. Not a lot to see. Pathway looks wider. Walls, I think, are getting closer to the front door. So we'll just keep an eye on it. And then ending this week's construction update with a shot of these walls here at the main entrance. We got kind of a little look from the train. Couldn't really see over them too much, couldn't see what was going on. It didn't look like too much. We didn't ride the monorail today, so we didn't get to look down in there. From up there, I probably could have gotten a better view. There's the one here, and then there's the one over on the other side. So that's what they're doing. Maybe just replacing some pavement, or maybe just some touch-ups of the area. I'm not sure. But next time we come, we'll try to get a shot of the monorail, see if we can peek down in there and see what's going on. But thank you guys for watching and checking out this week's construction around Disneyland with us today.